Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get unbanned on Monkey app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Monkey bans accounts when its safety system detects behavior that might break the app's community guidelines. So this can happen for obvious reasons like inappropriate content or repeated reports from other users. But it can also happen by mistake because the app uses an automated moderation system. Now, in order to fix this, okay, the best way to get unbanned is to appeal your ban. So to do this, we need to go ahead and contact Monkey support. So the best way to contact them is to go to a site called pissconsumer.com. Yes, that is correct, pissconsumer.com, and then search for Monkey app here because they make it quite difficult to find their contact details. So type in search Monkey app. Now here it is here with 22 reviews. So now we'll be able to find their email address and phone number here, but the best way is just to simply email them. So what we need to do is scroll down here and look for contacts. So contacts here, the contact tab. Then from here, we're going to scroll down and click on customer service. Now from here, we need to go ahead and put your email. So put in the email that you're banned in, and then so we got hello@Monkey app, or yep, so we make sure that is, and then reason of your email, just basically say, can you please help me get my account unbanned, or something along the lines. And now in the message, basically type something like this: hi Monkey team, I believe my account was banned by mistake. That's if you really believe that. I did not violate any guidelines and I always follow the rules. Please review and reinstate my account, thank you. So if you really truly believe you got banned by mistake, you can also leave your phone number here or other contact ID, your first name and last name, and then go ahead and click on I've read and agreed to the terms, and then click proceed. So basically in here, you want to put in a calm, short explanation. Now, appeals take anywhere from 24 to 72 hours, but for complex appeals, it could take up to a week. If denied, you may need to wait it out. So a cooldown ban is 1 to 7 days, and permanent bans require support approval to restore.